Buddhism, whether it's a philosophy or a science or a way of life, whatever it is, depends upon how you explain it. Buddhism definitely has a philosophy, very profound, deep philosophy. So, and then Buddhism has the scientific element, where you are asked to experiment everything. So that is scientific. That's very much there, and it's way of life, because the main purpose of Buddhism is how to transform you from a bad person to a good person, how to lead a happy, good life. So definitely it's a way of life. So the whole philosophy or science, whatever is there in Buddhism, is targeted towards bringing happiness. So that means in the real life, you see. So it has all the elements. Now whether it's a religion depends upon what do you mean by religion. By religion, if you mean somebody believing whose faith, is tied to a creator God, then Buddhism is not religion. But if you think about religion as something that has the essential message of brotherhood, sisterhood, love, compassion, and so forth, then like all the other major religious traditions, Buddhism also has that. So from that point of view, it's also a religion.